has infrastructure development to facilitate the government to provide road access, clean water, electricity, and other forms of energy. An IDP model village also provides a social protection aspect. It also provides school facilities and health facilities. The IDP model village has also another component, which is off-farm employment, as well as land productivity. The Excellencies, we are here in Lueru IDP model village, which was selected to accommodate 427 households who were living in high-risk zones in islands, Mazane and Sharita. The population before were really isolated from basic life infrastructures and kindly disconnected from the other community. Access to school and health facilities was very challenging to them. The relocation of this household is being implemented in phases. Currently, Your Excellencies, we count 144 families living in this community, comprised of 649